Self-destruct sequence activated.
Hey everyone, Josh bringing you another update right now video for you guys today on the 3D printer right now. As you saw in the last video, I was 3D printing the bottom part of the arc reactor, and it was an epic fail basically. It only printed out this much right there, and it just destroyed it. So here's what I have been doing, though. I've been 3D printing it again, and I got the bed at 65 and the speed reduced to 100, and basically the temperature for the needle basically is nozzle is the same. Also, I did happen to got a little situation. I broke a nozzle, which basically I actually ordered more, thank God. So, big shout out to them right there. I'm very happy with that. So, it's been about 3 hours since this thing here has been printing, and I'm very happy with the results. I'm just kind of hoping this right here would work, because the bed itself is not exactly sticking no more, but I just flipped it around and printed it on the glass side and not the other side. So hopefully this right here will work. Now it will have a nice little gloss to it, which you kind of see right there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's like a nice mirror finish. I saw it on YouTube. Hopefully it will work. So this right here will take a little bit of time, and also a little bit of, well, patience. So when you see this again, it'll basically will be done, hopefully. And well, let's just wait and see what this will look like once it's all done. So I'll catch you guys in a sec, or see you guys in a few hours. What's going on, guys? A little update right now on the third part of the arc reactor, and so far it actually fully printed all night. It took a little bit. It got done about 8 o'clock this morning, and I put some fresh coat of primer on, and here it is right here. I still got to do some little bit of sanding right back here, but that's not a problem. I got to touching up some of these little small detail work right here, and what we're going to do is we're going to weather the parts, and I got them right here. Nice fresh coat of paint with this right here, so that's done. I got black right here, I got gold right here, and I decided to go ahead and throw a little bit of copper in there too. I thought it would be a little bit nice. So once that right there is fully cured, we are going to go ahead and start on the iron arc reactor project, but that's going to be in another video. And I got to get the LED light for it so it can light up, and also get the magnets for it, which is all coming. So hopefully that will be coming pretty soon. So hope you guys like the video, and be on the lookout for the video for this right here. And just to let you guys know, this is solid. I mean, yeah, it's solid. It's not gonna break. So this right here, I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. Also hit that like button, and also be on the lookout for this project right here that's going to be coming up. And take care.